What is going on? So this is how to add ledger to CoinTracker. So the first step is to upload your CSV file by going to Ledger Live application. If you still haven't downloaded it, just go and download it and then click on settings icon on the accounts tab. Click on save on operation history and then select the accounts you want to include. Click on save again and export your CSV file. After you export your CSV file, upload this CSV file in here. I'm gonna have the link of this website in the description. You're gonna go to add import, and after that you're gonna do custom import, and then you're gonna do CSV right there, and after that you're gonna go to the enter coins page by clicking this link. It's gonna take you to this, and you're gonna click on add import. And after that you're gonna click on custom import and then CSV again. So you're gonna import your CSV file, and if you want to edit your CSV file, do it in a text-based editor. Programs like Excel may change the layout of the file and prevent a successful import. And then you're gonna upload here the CSV file right there. And that's simple as it.